Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Atty E, Immigration Lawyer. My name is Atty Elaine Bordeaux. Today's episode, sasagutin natin ang email ng isa nating kababayan, si Mr. Arthur V, regarding sponsoring his wife and stepchild in the Philippines. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Atty Elaine Bordeaux. I'm licensed in New York, based here in Texas. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 10 years. Okay. So let's read the email of Mr. Arthur V. Dear Atty E, my name is Arthur V. I am a U.S. citizen. I recently got married in the Philippines. My wife has a 16-year-old child from her previous relationship. I want to know what is the best way to sponsor my wife and her child. I was reading about the K-3 process and it was really confusing me. Can you please explain the process, the difference between the immigrant visa process and the K-3 visa process? Which one is better? Thank you for helping our fellow Filipinos and more power to you, Arthur. Okay, Arthur, first I want to congratulate you on your wedding. To answer your question, I want to explain first the K-3 visa process. So a K-3 visa process is a non-immigrant visa for a foreign spouse. What happened was long time ago, well, back then, an immigrant visa process for spouses were taking a long time. And so they put in place this K-3 visa process supposedly to reduce the separation between the spouses and make it faster for the US citizen spouse to bring the foreign spouse to the United States. So, ang proseso is you file the I-130 petition first, and then you file the I-29F petition, which is the K-3 visa application. All right, so kung ma-approve na or pag na-approve ang K-3 visa petition, ang spouse ay makakarating ng Amerika as a non-immigrant and then mag-a-adjust ng status. Kung may bata, ang bata ay magkakaroon ng K-4 visa provided na list ang name niya doon sa I-29F petition. So they come to the United States as non-immigrants and then they can adjust their status. That was before, pero recently, wala nang major difference sa processing time ng immigrant visa petition and ng K-3 visa application. So, what happens kapag ang I-130 petition naman ang naunang na-approve? Ang immigration will close the K-3 visa petition. So, because it's moot and academic, wala na siyang purpose. So, your spouse will proceed in the immigrant visa process. And mawawala na ang K-3 visa process kung maunang I-130 petition approval. Ang complication ay maaaring mangyari kung mayroong batang involved, like in your case, your stepchild. Kasi kung walang separate I-130 petition for the stepchild, kapag na-close ang K-3 visa, wala nang way for the stepchild to receive yung K-4. So, dapat mag-file ka ng separate I-130 petition for your stepchild just in case ma-approve ang I-130 petition first at mag-close ang K-3 petition, mayroon pa ring separate immigrant petition for the child. Okay? That's very important. Also, kung walang major difference naman sa processing time, mayroong difference sa affidavit of support. Sa K-3 sponsor, kailangan mo lang ng at least 100% income of at least 100% of the federal poverty guidelines. Versus sa immigrant visa process naman, kailangan mo ng at least 125% of the federal poverty guidelines unless you are a military sponsor. So to check on that, go to USCIS website and check on I-864P form. Ang K-3 visa ay may additional expense din. Kasi after you file the I-130 petition, magpa-file ka pa ng I-29F petition petition. And of course, may filing fee. Also, pag nakarating na sa US ang spouse mo at ang stepchild mo, mag-a-adjust sila ng status and kailangan rin ulit nilang mag-file adjustment of status application and of course, pay the filing fee. I hope I was able to explain to you the K-3 process. And I want to reiterate na you have to file a separate I-130 petition for your stepchild. Just in case mauna ang I-130 approval at nang hindi maiwan ang bata. Para sa mga viewers natin, if you like this episode, please like and subscribe. And if you have any visa questions, please email me at eboardlaw@gmail.com. Until next time, I'm Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. Thank you.